Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. We're on the She Said show. And tonight, mga kaibigan, makakasama po natin ang dalawang kaibigan namin na medyo sumasobra na yata ang kasikatan at hindi na sila maabot. So she said that these guys are the only two guys who can get away with what they do.
And what they wear. and she said, even before the taping started, even before the show started, she was already dying of laughter. Ladies and gentlemen, Ariel and Maverick. Hi guys.
Maverick and Ariel.
Oh, concerned ba kayo sa billing? Does it matter to you guys whose name goes ahead?
No, not really. Because when we started, it was like Maverick and Ariel.
Of course, it doesn't matter because your
name is ahead.
No, because
right?
sometimes they mistook us for ako si Ariel o si Maverick.
Para excuse na. Before anything else, I would like to congratulate this show for having us.
Yeah.
No, before anything else, I'd like to congratulate you guys on your beautiful rings. Ilang karat yan?
Bounce.
Well, actually, natubos to sa pawn shop ni, kaya ano to, kay sabihan ng to ni Napoleon Bonaparte.
Oh!
Yeah.
Amin na lang yan.
They had two of the same. Maybe for the show, can we just borrow it?
Sure. Okay
Sure,
lang. Makakatulong.
Ariel didn't want. Did you see his face? He's like,
Yeah, I
what?
know.
Why?
Mine has no choice.
There's no choice. Come on, bring
Ang
it
bigat
on,
naman
Maverick.
ito.
Wait lang, we just want to wear it until the first gap.
No problem.
No, forever.
Oh, we got. Where'd you guys buy it?
It's custom made.
Custom made.
Yeah.
Sino
Really?
nag-custom nito?
Well,
Kanya-kanyang alahero.
Nag-design ako ng...
Pareho naman eh.
Oh, Jackie Forrester, walang sinabi yung engagement ring sa ring ko.
Okay, so
Ang bigat
ano
kasi
ba
yung
talaga?
totoo.
Ariel or Ariel?
Well, depende. Pag nasa mga socials, Ariel. Pag medyo
Ariel.
nasa mga payatas tayo, Ariel lang.
Mga-
Ariel.
Mas squatter area yan, Ariel.
Ba't hindi nyo nilalabas yung mga family name nyo?
We have
What
our
are your
screenings.
family?
Depende sa budget. Well, actually, believe nga kami.
Para ka namang si ano.
Pero
may-
believe kami sa inyo. At least na-afford nyo kami.
Oo, grabe.
What are friendships for?
Na-realize ako na talagang ano na to.
Hindi, actually, ARL called me up na yun nga, asking to guess us. Sabi niya, pare, pagbigyan natin sila Jackie tsaka si Cutie, magaganda yung mga yon. That's the only...
So you're here purely because of our good looks?
Yeah.
So, if we weren't so good looking,
Wala.
wala kaming guest ngayon.
Wala.
Di ba yung ano,
This-
TF nila nila, TF, di ba? Totally free.
Totally free.
Totally free.
Wow, thank
For
you.
the love of the
Hindi,
beauties.
actually, dapat ngayon, nasa Las Vegas kami nagkakape. Pero dahil sa inyo,
Kinancel namin yung
Financial nyo? Sama naman kami kasi manonood kami ng Pacquiao.
Pwede rin.
Pwede?
Pwede.
Wait,
Sige.
Bakit mo binalik yung ring?
Ang bigat!
Mabigat.
Nabibigatan ako.
Mabigat talaga.
Kaya ko.
dahil,
Kaya nyo?
pag-aralan mo ng magsuot-suot na naman.
Hindi, Teka muna,
masakit.
I just want to ask, what time is the show ba? Ano, mga 2 a.m. ba to?
Teka,
Oo
teka.
naman.
What time is it now? It's
Hindi
It's
kasi...
8 p.m.
It's
So
8
8 p.m.
Hindi,
right
kaya
now.
tinatanong nung kaibigan ko si
live.
Maverick.
Are you jet lagged?
No.
Hindi, baka makatapat niyo yung walang
Walang
tulugan
tulugan
kay Kuya
eh.
Germs. Devoted kami kay Kuya Germs.
Ah,
eh.
hindi. Hindi namin
Okay.
Di ba
itatapat
katapat
yun.
yun?
Naman
Oras.
yan. This comes earlier.
Medyo social kami.
During the night.
All is fair in love and war.
Siya, early morning.
Yeah.
But you know what, Ariel, no? I was like noticing, hindi sila, they don't mature. No?
Oo, hindi.
Cutie is still the Cutie I saw on the movies and television.
Niligawan.
Hey!
And Jackie,
Tayo, ah.
and Jackie still Jackie
Oo,
Aquino, di ba?
ganda
During
na.
the time of mga EDSA Revolution.
Hindi, mas maganda siya ngayon. In fairness, mas
No,
payat
it's-
siya, mas
yeah.
maganda.
Fairness.
Hindi ko na lang
In
babanggitin.
Fairview.
Actually, binasted niya yung pamangkin ko.
Na artista
Pero
rin.
okay lang, okay lang.
Girl!
Sino yun?
No, actually, si Cutie, meron ako mga, fan ako ni Cutie, meron
Oo.
ako mga poster niyan sa kwarto ko, sa ceiling. Sa
Ah, katawa to!
Oh, yeah.
Sige nga.
Wait, sino
Sige,
yung ano?
next week,
Sino
cover
yung-
natin.
Romeo
tayo.
and Juliet, right?
Wala naman ako sa poster. Kimpi and Aiko lang yon.
Yeah, but...
You know, I went to the
Mga
shooting of
photographer.
that.
Mga
Why did you go to the shooting of that?
Aiko.
You went?
My
More
friend,
still,
yeah. So I
Ay,
knew,
talaga?
I knew about their
They made me naman drown there eh.
really.
Nag-swimming
Sabi
ka pa nga
naman
ron,
ba
right?
I asked you before if you came out in a Joey De Leon movie.
Eh hindi, hindi ako
Nahiya
lumabas
ka
ng
naman
movie,
eh.
di ba? Parang,
Then I
ano,
said, were you in a bathing suit? And then you said,
Yeah,
no!
It's a black baiting suit.
Yeah, I remember that.
No, okay, you know what? Back then, I didn't know how to act. I just got here and I didn't know how to act. I had no theater experience, so I'm really embarrassed. I do not want to watch any of
I
those
want-
movies.
now-
In fact,
I
now
want to
I
see
want
it again.
more.
Romeo and Juliet. You'll see
I want
Cutie.
to see the movie again.
Yeah, you know what? How come
ano
they should like
yung
sell
role?
those, right? I mean, like have DVDs of it.
I
and then-
think so.
Meron naman eh.
Sa
Wala
Quiapo
na.
siguro.
Wala na?
Wala na.
Naghanap ako hanggang Quiapo, wala.
Ano yung role mo doon?
Gusto ko.
Ariel.
Ah,
Ariel.
ano, maganda role ko doon. Karibal ko si Unga Ayala.
Wait, how is he? Do you know? Have you heard from him?
Unga, naging taong grasa na siya.
Oh my
pare.
God.
Are you
pare.
serious?
No, seriously, si Unga yata pastor na ngayon.
No way.
Yeah, that's
Wait,
why
wait,
the
wait.
last time I saw, you know, a
Hindi,
feature
dahil siya sa
about
ano,
him.
sa, ano tawag dito, yung,
Saan?
ano, Channel 7 ba? Sorry, okay lang ba yan?
Okay lang yan.
Sa
We're
ano?
not competitive.
Saan? Sa...
Sa...
Wish
Wish ko lang.
Wish
Oh,
ko lang.
diba? Ang galing naman ni Danny.
Yeah, I think pastor siya ngayon.
Ah,
Wala na
really?
Ah, wala naman?
Oh my God.
Oh, sorry,
Oh,
sumalaki.
okay. That movie had a lot of great people, such as Rene Requestas,
Yeah.
Yes.
Aya de las
Sumalaki
Alas.
na rin.
They are so funny.
Yes,
started
I know.
Rene is...
They're all my fans. Yes, yes.
Bata
I
pa ako
remember
nung
that.
elementary pa lang ako. Malaking bulas lang
Ako
ako.
rin, that was like, you know...
Kasing liit mo lang
teenager
si,
pa ako
ano,
nun.
Hindi. Medyo
Unga.
malaking bulas ako matangkad. Pero mga grade 6 lang ako.
Teka, sino yung pamangkin mo na binasted niya?
Wala akong binasted.
Hindi ikaw tinatanong ko. Sino nga?
Nanligaw lang.
Nanligaw lang. Crush
Sino
ka.
nga?
Sino?
Star Kimpi de Leon.
Oh, crush ka rin.
Ay, crush ko rin yun eh.
Hey, he's so cute, ha?
Crush ko rin yun, no?
At
You knew
least
that.
manood po kayo ng School Bukol, na doon kami ni Ariel.
Oh, wait.
And Kimpi is
tell
there.
them when. Kimpi's so cute.
Of course.
He's on my Facebook. Anyway, why are we talking about me? You guys are the guests today.
Okay. Anyway, tatanong ko lang, speaking about busted. Have you ever busted before? I mean, busted hindi yung sa drugs or
Hindi yung
busted
sa
yung
baraha,
love. Yeah.
ganyan.
Sa love.
Yeah.
Ako hindi ko na-experience yun. Sorry. I can't relate.
Eh, bakit partner mo
I
gusto
can't
pag-usapan yan?
No, but why are you sorry? I mean, if you're busted, at least you try.
No, I mean, I'm sorry I didn't experience it. Hindi ako na-busted ever since. So.
Did you bust anybody?
Marami.
You mean some girls actually like court you guys?
Yeah.
How naman?
Mga indecent
Baka
proposal.
pera nyo
Yeah,
lang gusto nila.
how? Baka ring lang ang gusto.
Like, mga tipong, sabi nila, hindi naman kami siloso. As long as we know, you know, as long as we know where we stand, kahit one night lang.
And then...
Uy, bad ka. Samahan
Hindi
mo.
mga babae nagsasabi sa akin noon.
Wait,
Oh, and then, ano naman reaction mo?
I'll think about it.
And
so
then,
meaning you don't have a girlfriend now?
No, I'm married.
Oh, what the hell are you thinking about?
No, before. We were talking about before.
okay,
Like
and
before,
then,
before,
you
like
think
in the
about it. How long
past.
do you think about it?
5 seconds?
You, Ariel, are you like
Ah,
that?
nabasa.
Ay, ito
sorry,
na,
sorry.
ito.
Ariel.
Ariel.
Yeah, like
Ariel.
Little Mermaid
Ako
Ariel.
nabasted na rin ako. Nabasted.
Ilang beses?
Nakasubok ka na ng
Ano pa lang, 2 kalahati.
Why may kalahati?
kalahati?
Hindi ko tinuloy eh, kaya kalahati lang.
Ah, hindi busted yun.
Bibigay lahat sa'yo, pag-ibig ko'y totoo.